Hi everyone, and welcome to my ottermagedesigns YouTube channel for another quick Twitch tutorial. Today I'm providing a detailed overview of the qualifications to become a Twitch affiliate. My name is Jade and I'm a writer and illustrator who is also a Twitch streamer. I've been a Twitch affiliate for many years and I'm happy to answer questions about that process, how to manage emotes, and other streamer and artist related questions. I stream as Jade the Ottermage on Twitch on most weekdays while I draw art, and if you ever need emotes for your channel, please keep me in mind. Today, I'm answering a question from 2K7256 who commented on a prior video and is wondering why the only thing appearing in their viewer reward drop-down menu is drops, even though they say that their channel is eligible for emotes because they should be affiliated. This is a great question because becoming an affiliate doesn't just happen overnight, even though it kind of looks that way from the outside. So first, I'd like to show y'all exactly what 2K is talking about by showing you my Twitch channel, which is affiliated, and another Twitch channel that I made for sandboxing that isn't. So this is my Jade the Ottermage channel as it looks on the front end of Twitch. I'm going to click on the icon in the upper right to open a drop-down menu, and then I'm going to click on Creator Dashboard. This will take me to a screen that should look super familiar to all of you because it's where you should be managing your predictions, your stream title, and so on whenever you're live. Yours may look a little bit different than mine because this page is highly customizable. However, over on the left, you should see the Creator Dashboard, which has a bunch of drop-down menus. Emotes and channel points are stored under Viewer Rewards, so I'm going to click on that and you can see that they're here. This is because my Jade the Ottermage channel is affiliated. However, when I come over here to my Sandbox channel, you'll see that my Viewer Reward dropdown only has drops. This is because this Twitch channel is not affiliated and hasn't undergone the onboarding process for affiliates, because it doesn't meet any of the affiliate qualifications. These qualifications, according to Twitch's Joining the Affiliate Program article, are 1. The channel must have over 50 followers. 2. Must have at least 500 total minute broadcasts in the last 30 days. 3. Have at least 7 unique broadcast days in the last 30 days. And 4, have an average of 3 concurrent viewers or more over the last 30 days. According to the article, if your channel meets these requirements, then you'll receive an email inviting you to be an affiliate a few weeks later. This may also appear as a notification, so be on the lookout for both of them and make sure that Twitch's emails are not going to your spam folder. If you want to check your progress on becoming an affiliate, there's a way to do that too. When you're in the Creator Dashboard, click on the Insights dropdown and go to Achievements. From there, scroll down a bit and click on the Path to Affiliate dropdown. This tells you what you need to do to earn affiliate status and what progress you've made this far. You can even click on the 30-day period link to see what progress you've made inside the window, which can help you adjust your goals. Remember, you need to meet all 4 of the previously mentioned qualifications within a consecutive 30-day period to be eligible for affiliate status. Even then, once you've met those requirements, you have to wait on the invitation to arrive from Twitch. It doesn't just automatically come. Now, if I look at my Sandbox channel again, according to the same screen, you need to reach 50 followers, stream for 8 hours, stream on 7 different days, and have an average of 3 viewers, all within the same 30-day period. These calculations exclude premieres, reruns, subscriber streams, and watch parties. So this is a bit different from the article because 8 hours of streaming is not 500 minutes, it's 480 minutes. Otherwise, it seems pretty consistent with Twitch's article. This screen is going to remain useful to you as an affiliate because it will later help you track your progress to partner. Once you receive Twitch's invitation, which again might take a couple weeks to arrive, you must go through the affiliate onboarding, which we'll cover in another video, which is linked below. So returning to 2K's question, it sounds like maybe the affiliate invitation might not have been sent yet, or if it has, that the affiliate onboarding may need to be finished. And again, I'll be covering that in the next video. Thank you again to 2K for the question and for being so patient in letting me break these up so that they can be in smaller bites. And as always, if y'all enjoyed the video or if you found it helpful, a like and subscribe is always appreciated. And if you'd like to help me out a bit more, one of the ways you can do that is by supporting me on Patreon, which helps me create more frequent and higher quality videos. I really love making tutorials and my time is extremely limited, so I don't have a lot of time to do editing or make them pretty. By supporting me for as little as $1 per month on Patreon, you can help me create the time I need to make better, more frequent, and higher quality tutorials here on YouTube and continue producing webcomics and manga for you to enjoy. Thank you all for joining me over here on YouTube. I hope to see you on Twitch as well. And if you have other questions, please feel free to ask them in the comments. I'll do my best to post a video as soon as I can. Thanks again for watching, and I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day.